Introducing the Samsung AirRefresh washing machine, featuring AirRefresh technology, a ceramic heater and a diamond drum. AirRefresh removes odours and wrinkles from clothes by injecting heated, fresh air over them. This is particularly useful for refreshing dry clean only garments and items such as pillows and bedding. The diamond drum is unique to Samsung and helps care for your clothes. Diamond-shaped imprints in the drum collect pockets of water, meaning your clothes are in contact with water for longer. Additionally, smaller holes in the drum prevent fabrics from being drawn out and becoming damaged. The heater has a double ceramic coating, protecting it from the build-up of limescale and tripling the durability of the machine. This sophisticated washing machine offers an ample 7 kg capacity and a wide door, making loading and unloading larger items much easier. All Samsung washers have variable spin speeds as standard, with speeds of 1200 RPM with the WF8702RSW or 1400 RPM with the WF8704RSW. Samsung, breathe new life into your clothes.